Wow, is that it has actually been a minute since I dropped the video here, guys. It has really been a minute. I'm so sorry, guys. So I'm going to be starting a new vlog today. So currently I am in the eastern part of Nigeria. I came to spend Christmas with my family, and of course I told myself that I was not going to spend Christmas in just this time around. So I came to spend Christmas with my family. If you know the eastern part of Nigeria, you will know Imo State. So I'm from Imo State. So I came to spend Christmas with my entire family in Imo State. Actually, I even arrived today. But I just decided to start a vlog for you guys because I don't want to end this year like this. I want to end the year at least with me dropping at least like 2 videos before the year runs out. So yeah, so I'm going to be starting a new vlog today, and let's see how it goes, and we'll end the vlog and call it a year. So I'm going to be taking you guys through everything I planned for this Christmas. I actually don't know if I have anything planned, to be honest. I seriously don't have anything planned, but in case anything comes up, I'm just going to take you guys along with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching it. I'll see you in the next clip.
I can't breathe.
Say hi.
Hi,
mommy. Say hi.
You're again or something stupid.
Say hi.
Nice picture of you, mommy. Let's have you do it and relax first so that her face will come out.
Say hi. Come up and say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog.
Oh, say how you doing? Hi, vlog.
Let us call it thing.
The princess won't die. Which would you die?
I get water here. This no, she wouldn't have gone out of what she did. That's not what she did.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid at me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears.
This is my decision. This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen. I don't think you listen. For me to come out, it must mean I'm a teacher. It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the teacher. I want to show you my world. Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only make me your matter, make me your matter. Give me one break, I need faith, faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a deep body bong bong bong, your body kakara, make a bong bong bong, on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chocolate, fine fine, oh bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body chocolate, but she ready, yeah, in my day, the ball see kilo fat. Maybe Feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle light. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes are set. Follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You have to make it. Vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I play your candle light. You know I'm just that light. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you gauging my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad beat bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? Bad killer, every somebody back. Don't take my energy from your body. In my past, don't say I be my healer. Everything I desire, I'm gonna receive my rhythm. Flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, pass it down. I go just para. Come on, my jigger. I go just stay. Follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle light. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. You make me feel I'm never alone. You're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. I'm never down. I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, every time I look together. Come here, cause
I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart, you can kiss my ass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya?
I don't even know if you